Hi, Henry here from Powersports. We'll be getting your bikes out soon. Spring's just around the corner. Today we're going to go over some first things to check. The most obvious is tires. It's the most critical part of your bike. You should be checking that every couple weeks before every major ride. If you don't know what your tire pressures are, every bike will have a vehicle ID tag that'll have the tire pressures on it and the correct tire size. That's something you always want to make sure you run it right size too. Most of your metric bikes will also have it on a swing arm or on a chain guard. Some of the other things you want to look for on a tire when you're looking at it is for wear. If you got uneven wear or cupping on it, you want to make sure of that, or cracking in between the threads or on the sidewalls, because they will break down over time. Like this tire here is a perfect example. We just took it off. They have a manufacturer date on it. The first number is a week and the second number is a year. So this tire was actually 19 years old. They recommend no more than 7 years regardless of mileage. So that's one thing you definitely want to check and keep an eye on. The tires are one of the most important things, one of the most overlooked things that we see in the service department. So if you want to have an enjoyable, safe ride, make sure you check your tires.